Good morning, beautiful people. Today we're going to be doing a video. I just woke up, don't mind my voice, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to washing my face. And we're going to be going to Toto to do a video on, you guessed it from the title, how to make beautiful and amazing videos with your phone. And yeah, I'll be right there with you. Now we're going to head out, and let me change my clothes, just give me a second. Oh, this looks great. Okay. And yeah, I'll see you later. So we're going to be packing our bag for the trip. So የምንይዛቸው ነገሮች camera አሁን ፊልም እያደረኩበት ያለሁት a Canon 70D is going to go here. I'm going to pack the battery charger, a broken selfie stand ጫፉ for በኋላ በስልካችን ፊልም ስናደርግ የሚያስፈልገን. That's going to go on the top side, and an SD card that goes here. And last but not least, this is going to go in. So Toto Darsana, and this is what it looks like. I'm just crossing the road. So this is ትንሽ ገባ የምትል መንገድ አለች. Just parked our car እዚህ ጋር, and we'll be going. So we have reached our destination. What most of you do not know about me is that I have a house in Toto. And I'll give you a little tour of it, a little bit, and yeah, I think that's it. So I'll try to show you a little bit of the house. We are currently in the kitchen, if you want to see. It's not finished yet, but this is the kitchen. This is going to be the kitchen. Like, I already bought a cylinder. This is the kitchen cabinet, and here is the bedroom. Probably going to turn it into a studio. This is the master bedroom, or as I call it, where the magic happens. So this is going to be the toilet, and there needs to be a little bit renovation, and the guy is going to be here soon working on the ceramics. And this is the living room አሁን currently ያለው situation. So this is the corridor. Goes straight from the living room to the kitchen. I wanted to put the kitchen in the next room, but I think this is bigger, so I wanted a bigger kitchen since I need to be cooking a lot. And so far, this is it. Oh, let me show you the outside. I planted a lot of stuff. Salam. Hi. That's my dad. And እዚህ ጋር ያለው ደግሞ አያችሁታ አንገቱን ደፍቶ ሰው መስሏችኋል። So we planted ድንች, ነጭ ሽንኩርት, and እዚህ ጋር that is avocado, and this is mango, and we have a couple of trees, and we have koba ጥቅላይ, and as much as we can we try to make it as a productive as so it's so cozy. እዚህ ልክ እንደገባው እንቅልፍ ይመጣ። ተዋ how to shoot አሪፍ የሆኑ ቪዲዮዎችን ስልካችን ላይ and በስልካችን እንዴት ኤዲት ማድረግ እንችላለን የሚለውን I'm doing a video with them. ምን አድርገው እንትለኛት ነው? So Zare's setup is going to be I'm going to be using my phone, an iPhone 7 with a broken selfie stick-ish type of stuff. Like it's a broken selfie stick ነገር ነው. That's what I'm going to be using to stabilize my footages because በሁለት እጄ ከያዝኩት might shake ይበዛልና like በአንድ እጅ ሲያዝ like the shakeም ይቀንሳል. Every camera movement becomes more smoother and ብዙ ሙቭመንቶችን ካንስል ማድረግ እንችላለን። ሶ የመጀመሪያው ኪ ነገር with your phone is having a grip. ያ grip will help you shoot a stable shot. ለምሳሌ በእጄ እንደዚህ በይዘው no matter what I do like ትንሽዬም ብትሆን ሼክ አለችው and ለመያዝ አይመችም። it's for longer time ሰው ልጅ እንደዚህ ብሎ መቅረጽ ይቀለዋል እንደዚህ ከመቅረጽ። so to change that we need some kind of a grip, meaning ሰልፊ ስቲክ ሊሆን ይችላል። ካሜራ ግሪፕ ያላቸው ኬዞች አሉ የሚሸጡ እነሱን ሊሆን ይችላል። if you can afford it that would be better to have that camera feeling እሱ ይሻላል። ሁለተኛው ነገር is ካሜራ አፖቹ ነው የሚያስፈልጉን። ካሜራ አፖች ለምሳሌ እኔ አሁን currently I'm using the standard iOS ስታንዳርድ የሆነውን አፕ ነው የምጠቀመው። ማለት የራሱን ካሜራ ቢልት የሚለውን ካሜራ ነው የምጠቀመው። ግን if you want full control over your exposure, your white balance ምናምን እንደዚህ ቴክኒካል ተርሞቹን በኋላ ላይ እነሱ ላይ ፉል እንትን መጠቀም የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ you can actually use አፖች አሉ። ለምሳሌ ፊልሚክ ፕሮ ይባላል። that's a paid በወር ነው በአመት I think $15 ነው የሚያስፈልጋችሁ እሱን ለመጠቀም ማለት ነው። so it gives you full እንትን and color grade ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ፍላት ፕሮፋይል አለው ሪከርድ ሲያደርግ ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ደግሞ ሶስተኛው ደግሞ you need content. so ኮንተንታችሁ ማተር ያደርጋል no matter what. It's always content over quality. If you have good content on YouTube, people will come and watch no matter what the quality is. So እነዚህን ሶስት ነገሮች እንትን እንበልና እኔ I'm going to show you a little b-roll that I did with my phone.
Got my own monster, nobody but me. I would never call him enemy. He's too bad. Setting me free. All my dreams he speak to me. He's too bad, God I need. He's too bad, God I need.
So we're back on the road. I hope you liked the video. And I need some comments and such. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And we'll be making more videos. And if you subscribe, you're going to be helping us create more content. And
God I need, losing my boundaries. setting me free.